Are you tired of the heavy pedal associated with conventional hydraulic systems? Or maybe mechanical linkage or a worn-out cable system in your car? Master cylinders with a short stroke and a large bore are typically connected too far down the pedal, decreasing the leverage, making for a heavy pedal and lack of control. Feels like an on-off switch. This leads to excessive force, which causes firewall flexing, resulting in stress cracks. This is solved with the application-specific Lightfoot series hydraulic kit from Modern Driveline. Let's cover the many features of the 65-70 Mustang Master Cylinder Kit. Shown here is our 67-70 Mustang Cougar Master Cylinder Kit. This kit passes through the factory clutch rod hole, while our 65-70 Mustang kit moves the master cylinder off to the side for more brake booster clearance. The stock pedal is retained, using only the OE pushrod pivot with our reduction linkage system design, which allows full pedal travel to retain pedal leverage and a natural feel. This, coupled with the skinny 700 bore and long 1.4 inch stroke cylinder, reduces firewall load while providing required fluid volume displacement for most slave cylinders and hydraulic release bearings in the industry. 1/4 inch bore cylinders are available for this system, but not commonly needed. The linkage is mounted to a base plate that spreads the load and reinforces the firewall. The master cylinder works with both non-power brakes and stock Bendix vacuum boosters and some aftermarket booster configurations. See our website for this specific kit. We got pictures there. The master cylinder mounting block also has been designed with 2 studs to make installation and servicing a snap. The OE quality remote reservoir has an integral rubber bladder for a positive moisture barrier seal and integrated mounting base which avoids leaks, unlike separate clamped reservoirs are prone to. Optional aluminum reservoirs are available. Modern Driveline offers an extensive lineup of Ford and GM master cylinder kits. Couple our LF series master cylinder kits to our external slave cylinder kits or hydraulic release bearings for a total engineered solution. Be sure to watch our installation video for this kit to walk you through step by step. See our website for other make and model solutions.